Walking in behind the house, the old barn sit. Fixing to put the decoy out. It snowed. High hopes, low expectations. Got the decoy. Get old Big Zeke put out. Got the short AMO Browning, old school cedar arrows. And the bear razor heads are tucked in there. Let's get in the blind. This could really happen right now. Alright, we're all dying to see the instant replay, so I want y'all to watch his back right foot as the shot breaks. It starts in motion as the arrow leaves my bow. So here it goes. He's moving, and watch, he'll double tap his feet. Arrow's halfway there. Then he drops, rolls, hits him high. You can see the arrow sticking out right there, and it's protruding out the exit side. You can see it right there, right above his shoulder on the exit side. And he's taking off running. So I recorded the replay on my phone. I put the cursor right where it hits the buck. You can see right there the dot. I do not move the cursor, so you can see where I would have hit if this buck didn't duck and roll. Right there is where it hit, and then you can see it hits right there, but that's where it would have landed. That's hunting, man. This is the high-speed GoPro version. He stepped out at 45 in the corner. He's all bristled up, ready to fight old Big Zeke the Deke. And, yeah, this buck, he bristled up 2 different times. But in the snow, we've all dreamed of this hunt. Incredible. He's licking his nose, just full tilt. Here I go, draw back, expand. Whack, you can hear it thumping. He took off out of there. But Now let's watch me just completely come undone.
Oh, gosh. The second buck I've hit high. I picked my spot and everything. Oh, he came right into the decoy 20-yard shot. I don't think he was 20. I think he was, yeah, he's right at 20 yards. Came right in. I hit him high. I think he ducked and rolled on me. Came right into the decoy. Well, I'm gonna back out. It's been a tough season, man. He came right into the decoy. I can't believe it. I hate hitting deer like that. He came out ready to fight. He was all bristled up. It's hunting, man.
Well, that was the dream hunt, but this deer is actually still alive. This picture is not even 48 hours later. Had him in front of my blind. He came in. If you go to the crease of the elbow, follow that straight up, you can kind of see the dark spot at the top of his back. That's where the exit side of where I shot him was. And looks like the arrow worked out, but can't really tell. It's amazing how resilient these animals are. But hopefully we'll get to hunt him again and close the chapter on this deer. Still an amazing experience.